Hello, today we will guide you through how to build a custom Shopify store with Lovable. To begin, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or home screen. This is where you'll start creating your custom storefront experience. If you're following along for the first time, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The dashboard is designed to help you quickly turn an idea into a working website concept, so this first screen is essentially your starting point for the entire build process. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, the next step is to enter or paste in a sample prompt describing the website you want to create. In this case, the prompt should explain that you want a sample Shopify-style website that is fully SEO ready. The more clearly you describe the type of store you want, the better the generated result will usually be. For example, your prompt can mention the overall style, the kind of products the store is meant to feature, and the fact that you want the structure to support search engine optimization from the beginning. As you type or paste the prompt into the input area, make sure it's clean and easy to understand. A well-written prompt helps Lovable generate a more useful starting point, which can save time later when you move into editing and customization. If you already prepared your text in advance, pasting it directly can make the process faster and help avoid mistakes. This is especially useful if you want to reuse a prompt format for multiple storefront ideas. After the prompt is in place and you've checked that it says exactly what you want, go ahead and press enter. This tells Lovable to begin processing your request and generating the website concept based on your prompt. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the request, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to work. At this stage, the key thing is making sure your initial input is strong, because everything starts from that instruction. A simple but focused prompt often produces better results than something overly broad or unclear. If needed, you can always come back later and refine the wording to get a different outcome. That's the full setup process shown here. Open Lovable, enter your SEO-ready Shopify store prompt, and press enter to generate the project. With that, you've completed the first step toward building a custom Shopify store using Lovable.